my spaghetti and meat sauce. Start grounding the beef, add some SPG, add it to the slow cooker. Add a can of crushed tomatoes. Scoop in a can of tomato paste. We're using urban garlic for this one. Makes it so much better. I pureed carrots, peppers, onions, and garlic. Added it to the sauce. Next we add Italian seasoning, liberally might I add, and a little SPG. Quarter cup of brown sugar. Now we give her a little mixy. Cover it up and let it simmer all day. One of the most important parts of making spaghetti, you gotta open the box. That's my tip for the day. Add a little oil to your water. Don't forget to salt it. Add our noodles and cook till al dente. Look at all that goodness. This is exactly how you want it to be. Plate your noodles once they're done being cooked. And add a heavy scoop of sauce. This is how I do my